Hi, I'm here to show you how to access our Tween Book Club book, The Templeton Twins Have an Idea. It is available on Hoopla if you would like to check it out with your library card, or you can access it on Tumblebooks, a database we offer through our website. You start by going to our website, troypl.org. Then you'll click on Resources A to Z. Scroll down to the letter T and click on Tumblebook Library. Once you're in the database, you can click on Tumble Search in the upper right-hand corner and search for the book by title. The Templeton Twins Have an Idea. Hit go, and now you are on the books page on Tumblebooks. You can read the book online by clicking on the icon underneath the book cover. And once you are in the book, you turn the pages with the green arrows pointing to the left and the right. So now you can read the book either on Hoopla or on Tumblebooks. I can't wait to talk to you about it later.